I hope you know your learning type because today we are breaking down study activities for spatial learners. Hi, I'm Terrell, and this is Absolutely Studying. I want to supply you with all of the resources and support you need to flourish in your academic career. Today, we are talking about learning activities for spatial learners. Spatial learners are kind of a subgroup of visual learners. If you are the type of person that draws a diagram and then when it's time to recall, you close your eyes and you remember it's over in this area in the upper left-hand part of the diagram, you're probably a spatial learner. These learners may remember where something is in a book, even though they might not remember exactly what they are trying to recall. They know exactly where to look for it. If this describes you, then you are probably, at least in part, a spatial learner. The first thing I would recommend for spatial learners is visualize and draw it out. This is the epitome of your strength. Draw diagrams every time you have the opportunity. Draw a diagram, redraw it over and over again until it's muscle memory. And if you cannot figure out how to incorporate a diagram, add a chart or a graph. Concept charts, comparison charts, brainstorms, all of these things are going to help you because you can spatially organize the material, and that will help you recall because you know where and how things are organized and you can move them around. Try incorporating lots of colors into your diagrams so that it's eye-catching and popping and you can start recalling the location of different areas. Drawing out diagrams is one way of recalling them, but if you are coloring it in and color coding, then you are staring at that diagram a little bit longer. You are manipulating it a little bit more, and you can then retain it in your memory even better. The same thing goes with your comparison charts or your brainstorms. Start adding stylistic elements, add little doodles or color coding all over, and tie those together with the different colors and themes. I am very much a spatial learner, and so when I take notes, for example, I can usually remember exactly where in the 10 pages of notes I wrote something, even if I don't remember how I worded it or the context that it was in. I know exactly what page it's on and where it was. If I can close my eyes, I can see that page number, and I know where in my notes it was. If you are running out of ideas of what to do during your study sessions, check the link in the description. I have a study planner. It has more than 20 study activities on it, and you can track them throughout the semester by activity and by topic, and make sure that you are switching it up and adding more stylistic elements to your study sessions so that you're not repeating the same old reading and taking notes over and over and over again, because we all know how boring that gets. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. I put out a new one every Thursday, and it is all about study tips, organizational hacks, and homework help to get you through the study struggle. And if you like what you see here, you can always check out our website for even more helpful resources. And now, cue the bonus content. These learners really remember better where spatially and positionally. Positionally? I think that's a word. Positionally.